Hello guys, we will discuss about the basics and sign operations. You can see on the display, there you can say place into place into minus. These things you might have learned in a class of 5th, 6th, 7th. But most of the students from the higher classes like 8th, 9th, 10th, sometimes I observed that they are also unable to do these things because of these small things only they have lost their marks. Hmm? So let's have a focus on this. So multiplication, just 1 second, let me check. Yeah, so multiplication sign can be represented as, so sometimes we may have faced like sometimes we uh, we use the symbol this cross or into, for multiplication, sometimes this bracket also, sometimes this dot also. This star mark we use in like when we using in calculators, in the mobile phones, and I would say computers. Hmm? We can use this star symbol to do multiplications. But when generally when we solving, just we can use dot and bracket and into x or cross symbol. So let's go to the formulas. So you all know this. Actually, these all are very small things. Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Now let's take two numbers, two digits, like 2 comma 3 values, and let's apply these formulas. Now, first what we have, place into place, right? So place 2 into place 3 place 6, and place 2 into minus 3 minus 6. So why? Because place into minus minus, right? So place 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, and minus 2 into plus 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Okay. Now we use the, you apply the, the dot formula, into, right? Sometimes we confuse. So generally into most of the people for multiplication they use cross symbol, right? But sometimes we get these dots. So at the times now we get confused what to do, we don't know. So dot also it represents into only multiplication. So here I didn't put any plus symbol before 2. Why? Because uh, we no need to use, no need to put always plus symbol before any numbers. If you don't have any sign before that, it means it is positive or plus. But negative we have to mention negative compulsory. Okay. And plus 2 into plus 3 plus 6, and 2 into minus 3 minus 6, and minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Now let's apply the bracket. So we can apply the bracket also, like, so plus 2 into plus 3 plus 6, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. And this is fine. But most of the students, they do mistakes in these particular areas. So once let's have a focus on that. Signs in addition subtractions. Here 2 plus 3 5. We know the simple thing, right? 2 minus 3. Here we have minus sign before the big number. We have minus sign before the big number. What is big number? 3.